All right, this is today's project. It's been warm. Dean with I Buy Cool Stuff. So I put a wood stove in. I don't do a lot of wood videos, but we're going to talk about the wood stove a little bit. So let's see if we can get this all together. So I bought this wood stove 3 full seasons ago, burning seasons. Put it in. Now we run the chimney up through an existing wood chimney. So that steel pipe there goes up through the chimney. I just put a little fiberglass up there to help keep the draft from coming down. And let me get a flashlight just a second. All right, so got me a flashlight. So this piece here, I don't know if we'll be able to do all this with one hand and me. Anyhow, it slides back and forth and opens and closes this gap here. So the idea is you slide this piece here forward, and let me see. You slide this piece here back and forth, and it opens and closes that gap. So when you're starting a wood fire, you open it up and the fire comes up through there. Easier to draft, starts the fire easier. I leave that closed all season. Right back closed all the way. Sometimes I got to grab the handle and snug it shut. So it is closed all the way, ready for next season. Now this wood stove works by, it lets air in under this lip, this lip up under here. There's a gap, and this opens and closes the amount of air. So that's closed, that's open, that's closed, that's open. So the air comes in under this lip, comes out this gap here, and the hot air goes up a gap just on the inside of it. So by making the heat come from the back all the way to the front, up to here, then across the top and up the chimney, you get second burnings and stuff of the gases and whatnot. And then you soak more of the heat out of the air because it's traveled farther. So I leave that shut in the back, because once you get playing with that, you're not moving it. It's going to stay open for the rest of the season. So I leave it shut, tell the wife to leave it shut, and just run the wood stove with the simple open and shut on the draft there. This, all the brown in there, all the dark colored in there, is stuff that's been reburnt and was sitting on top of this in here. And on top of that plate in there that we showed you that moves. So the other thing I'd like to tell you, they do get dusty in the back. That heat blower, save your money, don't bother with one. They're loud, they're noisy, and these type here are silent and use zero electricity. So I've got 2 of them on top of there, blow more heat than that blower there ever thought it would, and they're silent. So anyhow, just a little bit about wood stoves, how they work, how this one works. They're all they're all about the same. So just getting things cleaned up for the season, and I do enjoy my wood stove. I love it dearly, but I would not have spent the extra $100 on the blower in the back because it's so loud, and I would not have, and I just leave that draft there closed. Here's the handle that goes on that draft knob over there. I just peeled it off so I could get it with the pliers. But yeah, we don't touch that. We leave that closed all season, and keeps things working better. Make sure you get yourself a thermometer though. So anyhow, just a wood stove video. I love my wood stove, and it's getting to be Easter. So like I always say, God bless you, God bless America, and go to church on Easter.